Welcome to the ShotSync workflow. When you first sign in, you will see the dashboard. The first thing you must do is set up your brand. If that is set up correctly, then rest of the workflow follows those settings every time, which helps speed up the workflow and avoid any mistakes. When you are ready to process all the images you received from the photographer/studio, click on New Shoot. Step 1, add a job name. Choose which type of shoot you are uploading. Each option has its own set of workflow. Upload or drop your folder with images here. Select the marketplaces you want to monitor for compliance. ShotSync automatically flags any clusters missing the required angles for each selected marketplace and pre-selects those marketplaces in the export panel. You can review and adjust the final selection before exporting. You can adjust the number of angles here or leave it unchanged if it has already been configured correctly in the brand settings. This step is important as it tells ShotSync how many images per SKU have been uploaded, allowing it to accurately group them into clusters. When you are ready, click Process and wait for the magic to happen. Voila! All images from the folder are now grouped into clusters by SKU. If the image file names contain SKU codes, each cluster will be automatically named after its corresponding SKU. If there are any clustering errors, for example, images from the next SKU have been grouped into the previous cluster, simply click Split Cluster here. ShotSync will move that image and all subsequent images into a new cluster, placing them where they belong. If split cluster here, this image starts a new look, all following clusters realign. You can drag and drop the images between clusters and zoom into images by pressing the spacebar to see a detailed view. Generate with AI, and ShotSync AI will analyze what the model is wearing, identify the product, and automatically generate product copy for you. Title, description, and bullet points are all generated for that SKU. Once all clusters have been reviewed and look correct, you can generate AI product copy for every cluster with a single click. Review the product copy for each cluster and make any edits as needed. If you're not happy with the generated copy, simply click the Regenerate button in the bottom left corner to create a new version. Once you have all the clusters organized and copy is generated, click Confirm All. Click Export Listings. There are multiple ways to export your enriched product listings. You can download a zip file containing each SKU in its own folder, complete with correctly renamed and resized images for each selected marketplace, along with a fully enriched CSV ready for upload. Alternatively, you can push products directly to Shopify, where ShotSync will create fully enriched draft listings for you to review, edit if needed, and publish when ready. If you prefer not to have separate subfolders for each SKU, you can choose a flat export option with all images saved into a single folder per marketplace. Or you can push enriched product listings directly to Shopify. Watch the progress as each new product listing is carefully created in Shopify. Open your Shopify products page and you'll see the newly created product drafts ready for you to review, edit, and publish. You'll see your product listings automatically populated with all images and enriched metadata. Job complete.